You thought waking up at 5 a.m. would fix your life. Cute. But right now, it's you versus the alarm. And guess what? The alarm's winning. First morning, your soul left the chat. You made coffee. It tasted like sadness. You sat there like a broken NPC, questioning life choices. You lit a candle, wrote discipline in your journal, took a deep breath, then opened TikTok and blacked out for 45 minutes. Cold shower? You screamed like it was a horror movie. Green smoothie? Tasted like depression in a blender. But hey, you're doing it. Okay. Now you're low-key thriving. Morning walks hit different. Your phone's still off. You're romanticizing your routine like a main character. You started scheduling things, planning your life, drinking water like it's a personality trait. You feel dangerously stable. And suddenly, 5 a.m. isn't punishment. It's peace. It's silence before the world screams. You're not just awake, you're present. You don't need to wake up early to change your life. But starting the day on your terms, that's where the glow up begins.